Hey everyone, I'm Oliver Kovács, a Hungarian composer. Today I'll share my approach to creating captivating music that would fit in a magical movie or video game scene. Let's begin with the basics. In this example, the key signature is C major, the time signature is 4/4 time, the tempo is 80 BPM. For this piece, the scale isn't the main focus since it blends various elements. Instead of showing the entire chord progression, I'll highlight two specific chord pairs I call magical chords. These pairs help create a mystical atmosphere. The first chord is a simple major chord built on the tonic of a major scale. The second chord is a chromatic median on the lowered 6th degree, also a major chord. Here's how they sound together. The second pair is more unusual. It includes a minor chord from the first degree of a minor scale and a major chord from the raised fourth degree. Listen to these chords. I've heard these pairs used in various movies and pieces, so they are not my invention. The first violins carry the main melody, while the second violin provides accompaniment in two parts. All strings play legato. The double basses and cellos supply the bass notes, doubling each other an octave apart. The violas play harmonies in the first half and follow the French horns in the second half. The harp glissandos add a magical mood. Let's listen to the strings alone. Flutes and piccolos mostly play runs and trills, while oboes add an orchestral doubling with the second violins. Clarinets also play runs and support the flutes and piccolos. These runs enhance the magical feel of the music. The brass section remains silent in the first half. In the second half, the French horns take the lead, supported by the tenor trombones with harmonies. The bass trombone follows the cellos and the tuba supports the double basses. The trumpets enhance the excitement, making the music feel more majestic and celebratory. The Mark III at the beginning adds a special effect. In magical music, pitched percussion instruments like the celeste and glockenspiel enhance the enchanting quality. I use the celeste for accompaniment and the glockenspiel plays the main part with the first violins an octave higher. The cymbals add tension and the suspended cymbals smooth transition. At the end, I included bass drum rolls for a final touch. I hope you enjoyed this overview of my composition process. Feel free to ask questions or suggest topics for the future videos in the comments. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more music insights.